In this video, we'll cover how to add, edit and remove news posts from your foundation website. You have a section on your homepage which features your latest surgery news. However, this section doesn't need to be edited on the homepage as it will update as and when you add posts. To add a news post, log into the editor first so you can see this top editing bar. Hover over the new icon and in the drop-down list select the news category. This will take us into a news template. In this example, we're going to add a notice for patients about a half-day closure happening. First, we'll add our title, and then we'll add the body of text. All the text in the foundation website is formatted by block, so if you enter down, it starts a new block, and you can use the shortcut icon in the top right corner to apply quick formats for things like headings, paragraphs, bullet point lists. And you can also do more creative things like embed images or videos into your post if you'd like. If you search by keyword, you can look for all sorts of different options to use. When you're happy with your content, you can publish it immediately by clicking the Publish button in the top right corner, or you can save this as a draft to come back to it later. Alternatively, you can schedule your post to go live at a set date and time. On the right-hand menu, under the News Summary, click where it says Publish Immediately, and you'll see a calendar where you can set any date and any time. The option will then change to say Schedule. And once this is confirmed, it will sit in a queue ready to go live. We'll reset this back to now and then publish it on the website. And now if we go back to our home page, we'll see it will have updated this list for us. You can get to any live news items from this list. If you need to edit or remove them from the website, go to the top bar and click the Edit Post link. Here you can make any amendments and click Update, or you can move it to the trash. Alternatively, if you want to retain the content but remove it from the website, you can switch it back into draft mode and it will sit in the back of WordPress for you to use again. You won't be able to access your draft or scheduled posts from the front end of the website, so you'll have to go back into the WordPress menu to find and edit them. You can make any amendments or delete them from the list.